enemy jina ha me betre how enkomo no esiko my mom to bomb ba ko say me question ba ko e bomb be ka chen say me ba bebu sa wase me asem bebu sa wo no e bomb
shen se me let's go
anya shen ko say ye show e ba so O2 Indigo say enkomo no ye di ye no na e before nemo enye after
but I want to me
I want the message about because
me
basically it's about the movies away ko Nkansah Lilwin and Dr Likee it should be any hope. It's all about Angie's Board TV. So I now call for flower. You know what you are ever count. Oh, great people. Michelle Bia. Hi, Angie's Board Multimedia. Me here the fresh boy Papa J. Me mo bibi akwa basa fe na wo hwe me a me pacho try say obe like it, obe comment it. Na fe wasan so a subscribe na share video no na obi anso so enye bi enhwe. Na wa share be bia notification badam ne da no. Bell na da hono fa wonsa boss wo donsa boss a automatically any video be ebeto mu ha bia no wonso wonsa betumi akabi na wa share na so ama bibi akoso. Thank you for your support. Mode support me on this particular channel. Mami kan tell say enche me de dwumade bi eba your friend no Papa J dine with the street. Papa J dine with the street. Enche ye de ba unu say me nye bi sada ache na ma try say me yes idea we ya but na bibi push me say jai but this time no I want to take that challenge and do this thing to inform one kofobi just a day. So ye be ye bibi kakra there first street no so akọ mo sebe a day bi oni bibi a obedi no na yetumi e de aboa omo enti no wa obetimi aboa bia no kwan da ho so obetimi aboa me number beto ho opese wo frɛ ana wo mo be de beboa wo so obetimi de aba na wo de aba beboa ama dwuma de na etumi akoso Papa J dine with the street Pap Jeezy production together with Angie's Boat Multimedia na kabom ana yes dwumade we enti no ye bedi ho nkomo bebre na bia so support we obetimi de aba be support no na odi aba we first time me ye bibi essay but the enti a me wo ha enne no niam bi a asem bi a ekoso e wo Ghana ha concerning interview a mini Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin ekoye on this particular channel concerning the trending here asem okan a de fa Dr Likee show of course O2 Indigo the trending show the historic show of course no nkoma ye die ebibe pie mu na ebe pie mu no nam so ama Ghana fo afansem no ka senior omope no na me hu se life bi ko so ana life no kwame boga gina so bi ochia me akoda nyame Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin ni PR gina so na Mimi of Jabis Where Mimi actress of Wizzy Empire eso gina so bi na omo blame me say Papa J adena one posting interview no before the show now ko posting after the show it's enemy jina ha me betre how enkomo no esiko bi obi won ma interview no or sha on hwe how interview no enkomo de esiko se wo hwe enkomo na ebi mo hwe se me di interview no after O2 Indigo show no enti me ba be che se show enkomo na ye di no ye di enkomo no before the O2 Indigo show no ye ni enkomo no after the O2 Indigo show no enti se wo hwa utie enkomo ni ye pa me ka che Kwadwo se show no baso me man ka se show no abaso me si show no baso Friday ya baso Friday ya that means say ye di enkomo ni before man ni enkomo no after the show and the interview no so me ye no na 1 hour getting to 2 hours interview enti no me chemu two I divided the interview into two it is a wo hwa bracha na no so sisi first one me ye caption on Kumawood didn't collapse by mistake so we sha and no your first part me post here and the second part I was part of the O2 Indigo show and ye two no enti me chemu mienu na enkomo ni nyina bia wo no won hye na ntenase entie enkomo nti wajwe say Papa J odi ye di enkomo after the show all because of say me pese Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin aka bibi editia show no ntina eyesa enyesa na enti me ma wati ha sei no na wo hwe hawa enkomo ni sikoye na tie se enkomo na ye di ye no na before nemo enye after before nemo enye after the O2 Indigo show just that me divide it into two. Ama me post back first before the show and one after the show. Entity sound common a course so hano. No one dream as us. I interview no kwa or my yan after the show. Nemo na a before the show. Into the tea. I say no. How are many could don't cancel the win? I started and common. Na me bebusa ni ayasam no. Me busa ne say. Me ba bebusa wasembi na a bomb. But you tell me pa. Me busa ne say. Beka chen say me ba bebusa wasembi. Asam bebusa wono. A bomb. Ono so okay. Bisa me. And me busa ne say. Uye country called Ghana. Me who say Likee. Ebe kasaye. Even kwa oba show ni bi. Ba me who say. Omudie waka bibia ye de afa ho. Because many are say na no say question me busa no. A question no matter what. People ankofo befa aka obia aka omo side of enkomo no. Enti me pese utie na wo say enkomo no before nemo enye after. Yenti ano na yensam na sisi a. My mom to bomb about because me question about a bomb. You never say be say.
Some movie can movie on support movies no back to back. 20 movies easy.
Because we a country called Ghana.
Yeah.
Who promote Ghana ha. Unya Likee. Me ameni interview. Ka say Ghana for munko na munko share. Nkansah Lilwin na juma no be. Support you. I was obabi kra. O pass it through. Oko UK O2 Indigo. My who say o bibi e dey support say Ghana for monko enko boy enuano na me ka bibi dey. Da be na wo show e kwa bi.
I want to show kwa bi.
Wo da be na wo ko bo show.
O be to show kwa bi. No.
Ebi mo ye bi tonight Friday enko for ye show.
Shen let's go. Tini.
Anya shen kwa say ye show e ba so O2 Indigo. Sa pepe. So say en community ko ye no. Enti we no ye before the show and ye after the show. And common ye before the show and ye after the show. But what I say? Before the show. But me na me chemu too. E posti bako Saturday after show na we no. And me posti interview no kwa no. I didn't have any intention say me posti say emra na embe create confusion. And first of all, me kokodon Nkansah Lilwin hono. I didn't go there say menene kwa kodi O2 Indigo ho show. Dabi. That wasn't the idea. Idea in say Nkansah Lilwin by life on TikTok. And the first time me call life in SUB. Ono me oye life me ta call about on peke me. But we no o peke me no. And ye chance say ye di nkomo. And I make her say who you be what did you awards baby because during the birthday no come my homecoming no me call and what share awards baby what did you awards we nyina but you don't talk about it. And I say bloggers no there ade ba na se nkoye de omoka nemo de ekoye no omonka wansa na so why award we one engage obia one ma media na ehu awards award movies na after so twa Ibrahim Chori we ye nti ho hwe biom enti no sa awards ya wagye ya wo de decorate office ade na wo ma wi ase nye de ehu enti remember me ye di nkomo afa awards no so okay say awards no nko ho nkomo de a ana na djuma no nkomo de a memra ne ni mfam promote adjuma so kwa me call ye no I went there purposely for Najuma Awaye, the movie album, and the movie EP also Odeba, and awards are watching so far.
But I would me.
I want the mess about because
we're lending there.
We're Liberians, excellence, achievers, and global star awards.
We're a man from Gabby that I don't that
okay. Outstanding film of the year, global stars. We need a country called Ghana.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're a man from Gabby you can say
yeah.
Manoko. I want to be the whole
wait,
actually from the legendary seriousness, boldness, humbleness, lovely, like Africans.
Okay.
Support Africans.
Okay.
He have a good vision for Africa. Ninuya, na downfall, any Ghana president. He says John Mama.
Okay.
Captain Ben Troy. Where on Nkansah Award.
I want to know life for no chairman.
We on one Nkansah boss body.
JMPC 2025.
Yes, we on one Nkansah boss body.
President of Burkina, and I do we ma one Nkansah.
From Captain Ben Troy.
Wow.
The last African hero. We on one Nkansah boss body. Yeah, they bring me. On some family people who be a keke. On what the man ambassador of Ghana.
Oh, okay.
Burkina ambassador to Ghana.
Okay.
To present for me.
Wow.
The whole Burkina, Mali Niger, they're all waiting for me to say, my peer, Kurumba.
Everyone wants a own call.
Yes, me from.
Everyone wants a own call.
Ghana, me. Oh, yes, me from.
Everyone wants a own call.
Yes, me from. You know, bro, a movie, Oscar. Oscar na Jack Tree movie bia na nse nsaka no Jack Chen mo na nsaka bi da me Oscar ni.
That is the reason. So that was the reason why me call Weezy Empire and then kodi enkomo. But now enkomo no ewa. It the first part ye disini no enkomo e the awards no enkomo sa the latter part no and this question here them e buy. So the interesting part of a conversation does be brave. Ye ka awards that Ibrahim Traore man award. Ye di enkomo ni bebre. Ye di kuma wodu mu enkomo e mo ka se kuma wodu kra no evil kuma do ye evil enti adwuma na egu no eye pa sa egu e bia ho no wante o kan sa adwuma na egu no eye pa sa adwuma na egu because nipa bi wo ma adwenbone wo mu tirim o mu sabotage o mu ho e wo kuma wo industry no ene ye part one ni mo masan komo no de mo adwa nkoso mo ante se mo ante a me say play ho na kire mo se nkomo na wensu o mu bi o ba wo no e ba part one no yente nsema akodjon Nkansah Lilwin kai o this efa kuma wo de ho about unity enim ene nipa bi at a point in time no mo kaka ne ho nsem ediche producers ni bi yentie san komo ne ba mesa kasa ba ku bi asa edi a chew na wo hu hawa me perception am me dey interview no esiti na nya se ne mo dwene no ene de mo ka ma me se me de me call se de bia me call be create confusion de man no enye san na tie o kansem kakra edi fa kwakuma nu krampo so ho e wo interview no e ka kwakuma nu wasem nyina se kwakuma nu en support no e wo bibia muda he said it in the interview me patch what I say. So I didn't go there for say me ko ka bibi e dey about create confusion and say me ko busa na say bi am ready confusion but yente san ko no nyemra sisi a
me nua kwaku enye ne estate obasidi okay e video back to back na wo jam check support you back to back enti say me my movie no kwaku enti ma Nkansah for enti me gunfu ni say normal nti aso so bi o ka fa de Nkansah for de wa ti ase normal
o ene me na me busa
amene ka ti no so in terms of so ti ase
okay
asa minu kwaku ye bibi am support no wo ye na ye ne ka say obasi estate obasta mini ja 101 e post kwa to Instagram e be Facebook be ya back to back me TikTok to mo seminar na ye be ko so na kama very nice en se me so aye bibi na kwaku ntimi kan wasam da ha me dabi ejiro
me na ha me we nyo obi
na
ba me na me pese nka me pese nka we so
ona ka ha na
okay
but we dey as how on what ase
okay
asa se me nyemu me ne kwaku kan wasam da nyemu me we be no kwaku kan wasam da
okay
movie say trend they say day from country we Ghana on so come
na real estate the whole year bi
but we said the way bi and never support opa go Instagram e da ho they are back to post back to back from Instagram Facebook TikTok that ben am be movie me ne go post to Instagram and on Facebook on that and on TikTok that e bin see that
so eti we nyina kan komo na yekodi ye no bi so what I say e kan komo na yekodi ye no bi ena o hwe so a asema mebusa akodwo a oka ye edi fa O2 Indigo show no eye do no nim no ka ye o what I say be de mimi nim no different because o hwa all kasa no na me kasa we sure say sa no say an oka ho bi ni ade eye do no nim mini ni pa ko de kodi nkomo a oka che ne say bi o de ne ko sa show no ba me so de mini ba sa particular show no different from the Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin no papa Kumase mini di nkomo wo Kumase ya ansa na wotu kwan kwa Accra ansa na omoko UK oka che me say Dr Likee O2 ne car na ode fund adwuma na omoko ye no what I say and adwuma so de wo koye a wo betima sponsors and wo betima po bia manaboa what I say obobo popo ebobo nkofo bi omo ama adwuma na dem akonanim but that doesn't mean say sankofo na adwuma na ye omo de ya because me tell show was no 2 years ago but Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin Canada no I don't know much about it enti na was me man here the Ekana asem no o ka wi a na explanation bi wo ofofo bi a na menya obi a o team no a obetimi a che me mu a na me busa sa nipa ne say na Kwadwo aka say na Kwadwo aka enti no nukura be na wom ba video no ba out no explanation be bra ba what say Dr Likee Nkansah nkwaso ba boncha ba beka say ono akasa na ye na de is all ba Ghana ka car obetrim kampo ayede ama no which I know say oton ne car na ode ye dem ode show no o show document e kire me way back 2 years ago say okwakoye show Indigo na ho plan ye de ama plan ni ama o show e kire me sitting in how I share konya o nyina inside no or the plan nyina ache 2 years ago ama ka papa je yebeko what the make na say so man kokodwo say menini kwakodi nkomo ama abeketi problem ama no anase bibisa me mane ya aware sem asem bebusa wi e asem bia e controversy be dem ebeba because I said it in the video say a bomb and a real me mane hu me mane ya aware so what I say it is in a conversation it here no me ntimi nka nkomo ni nyina mom once because ewa okura wo te wona wo hwe me no untimi nhwe nkomo no e mane nru untimi nhwe full interview 1 hour ni nyina so at times things are you try say you be divided no na ya yen fufurofo because nkomo no series by series what is chapters and ba wo share ni pa bi wona nkomo no ya chapters udi hakaka no di hakaka etina ama conversation no emu abie ba wo kabo a e be pack what is e be pack ama ensem bi wona ma obi nya kwan yede enhwe ma ohun awa ensem ne tie so nkomo na meni ni di ye ne de basically it's about the movies away mate say bi mo ka say ai na ni kwa say ade na one person nyina mbom na me ko ho say O2 Indigo show no ka say na me ko I didn't go there for O2 Indigo show no kwa na me ka kire mo no ma Nkansah Nkansah Lilwin ho say me kwa kodi nkomo because of O2 Indigo show enye no enye emfa ho ba bia but we question a ade a asi na me refer no say nipa ne ye bi ma wo na ade na ne de me hu say waka ho hwe but o ma ba bonta be kire mo say omo ye bi omo post Facebook eni ade me hu Facebook poster na Nkansah Lilwin ade a post bi ato ba de ba ko se mo hye ne so ne say Nkansah Lilwin eni Dr Likee issue bi eni ho
the international Tyson That is some lie. Ala nantieno. Onantieno. Guys. Melana bia. Sound sanu. Ah.
Where me this?
Yes, your papa I don't know.
Me na man ya bam. Come sit na.
Ala, you easy.
We am na me mo chira na me come sit.
Kyle.
Me tunya ko.
Tyson.
Me na man wona e wuro say.
Guys.
Tyson.
Tyson. Meba. Oh. That day.
What's it for?
Tyson. Ana jigu. Papa. Child, what's it? Oh, Ojai Papa and then very good.
You guys don't know. Enti mo mo wa no. Mo kan sem na na say no. Chale, there is no issue so. Issue bi any o se Kwadwo ho ofasisi ya na. Obekọ ne nchen. Ofa ho Kwadwo isi obeba ne nchen. Oba be chia no. But they are two different artists. We ye na adwuma, we so ye na adwuma. And in this world, there will be a competition. In this world, there will be a competition. Competition there be wo adwuma ye kra ye. Your competitors. Your nkrofo a wo ye video ne positive no. Obefa akwa kodidi watem. What I say? Normal. And sad near man ekoso industry ni so no. Eno so na boama industry ni mu ye de o. He se wo po bi o ti game we ase pa ba ko a. O ti adwuma we ase ba ko pa Dr Likee. Asempa na make a no. Wo po bi o ti adwuma na ase ba ko a Dr Likee ni Nkansah Lilwin. I say Shatawale ni Stone Boy. Omo ti game na se. They know how the game is. Nkansah Lilwin ni ama ho ye nyina no. Chale, part of the game oh. Brother Saminu wa sheni shoe kakraka. No wa dai ni ti. No wa shisi ni se. no she ni shares wa pam na tere hu no ade ko no se boda same nye sade na oye na enka boda same mpia bonten e ma bloggers enko so camera eziri so try and leave something. Dr Likee TGMA okoye no nim say Dr Likee obet me addresses more than the address here no after so ye bibi area what happened. He was the talk of the town, or the headline. Back now, Black Sheriff, Aji Award. Paul, what's up? No Black Sheriff, Aji Award. Artist of the Year. No one was talking about it. Obia, no one is even talking about it. But Dr. Likee dress, no, they call O2 Indigo. Or they call TGMA. And no one more can want them. Masa, a human, you know, be strategic. Strategically. Know how to do the job. My emoji, stay in the game. Be in the game. Bebre or game man, they don't know how to play this game, you know. Omo yera. Dr. Likee trendy before. And some kwa in the show no. The dress, you know, as a police show, no come attention by so yes so O2, and he got the opportunity to also sell the O2 on the TGMA platform. That is what we call publicity. Obia okwan of us marketing in Niama. Obia okwan of us marketing. Find a strategy to market your own. Mimi koye interview. Ama interview no. Mimi koye no raw. Say me koye no kwa. Neberi no obia babeshe. So I need to make it attractive, make it lovely. Or say me interview no. It be creating headline. Ama people to come and watch. Or say me interview. It reactions eba. And you're intentional. But as you are going on oye ejumana no, a drop it discerning ba. Some question drop it be ameka a discerning ba. Holy Spirit ready ba se busa sa same way. So we don't go there for any for nothing. I hate to say obi abasa of promotion for the product. No one didn't come on raw nipa no onya impact of enkomana udi ye no. A better than when your impact of enkomana udi ye no. A better than nipa impact. So interview no and kwa komani be sia kono. There should be one thing na ebe push ade na ko ama people aba be hwe anankofa ba be to ade na oye interview no anasa okoye promotion no. So asamene ba mu ha o mbesi ambeka no say the mo kan bia ene ye mo amode na mom to me no me woni say Nkansah Lilwin wan sheda nka bibia ye boni bia bia no obi contacting na how I don't know or no ena eka enti o say me ma ono nso eka do ono nso feel say onimu na oka enye me na me kokko gina ka say wo boa why say there be so ka wie na se me penchie mu bia na me share the right people la bebu some Nkansah Lilwin ka say yo na no kre be na wom enti sa oka sa no so no explanation be braba ama Ghana for no be convince say we say yes because omunjindi say Dr. Likee baby ofin o ntimi koye show O2 Indigo. That is how we know then I Likee obi rasnene na Dr. Likee YouTube e be no koye show O2 Indigo. Sa adwene no e na echeche nkofo adwene ntino they say ntimi nya no kre and enye nra e na start here. He started way back. We are planning by 3 years coming. And finally show netima baso akoye successful. Entino yes ramo when say man for kind Papa J dey bia create confusion. Papa J dey bia na controversial. Papa J dey bia say it's never like that. It's never like that. En common dey ye nim dey be free mu aba dey bia ye kwa sanete me ba ye trust ye di nkomo but the outcome no there enim nsem o nyame nsem. Na me catch you say Dr. Namune a drop it banger e dey aba Namune movie Nkansah e Namune TV. Munkona hwe banger no de papa Jordan or boy Juma Namune TV wa drop new series what title na Namune trailer na da munkona hwe e bibia enye kamapa emfa emanembo industry no etimpa mcho ene me ba ya enye kasa bebre inti mu amukọ life na mo didi matem na papa je no oyese papa cho enye no kre e ma obi anka asem different bia mfa ho ma nko se me kwakọ di Dr Likee won komo ene Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin akodi Likee won komo enye sana nkomo ni sitie different kwa we started with the movie industry ono n'enwuma awaye awo sa wajeje Ibrahim Traore de odi ama no ho na nkomo ni free ya ne ba ya ne besie but I divided the interview into two, first part and then second part. And a second part no about after the show no we post on Saturday even kwa me share on we yase I met him Kwadwo Nkansah wo Coffee Job na se na yase ka che because say interview no post back but second one me post no na me boa e Saturday sana nkomo no kosi man kose me critical confusion bia e dey ama obia it is nkomo no a how anasa akoso problem bi dey ama wa fache that wasn't the idea nkomo no ye di na ye di enim ba bia ebe fa ebe dey ebe ko di ye di a na ye di na munyi sa adwene from the industry no omu nyina ye one it is obi ka obi asema menye ma ho there is the content am here ya na me say man for frame say me ne hwan asaba me kai no me mo obi edi a general advice na me de koma obi a it is obi ge bibia mamu nka nchen mamu mfa say oh waka ni say the what to say waka ni say the what to say we need them in the industry we need all of them say na Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin ni hono ma e be affect like kakra like ni hono ma e be affect Kwadwo kakra Shatawale ni hono ma e be affect Stoneboy kakra Stoneboy ni ho a e be affect Shatawale kakra because omo kaka omo ho e ma industry ni mu ye de e ma yenya bi e ma obi anya bi ka what I say e ma mu ye de e ma mu ye fe e ma ye fa e ma okọ internet so a wonya bibi hwe e ma wani je e ma argument ba so what I say it is argument ni ba say ya na nipa mienu we e da on be share ba bia no na aye boom na disque ba Notorious BIG and Tupac na aye hit what I say Esdo ni Chicago a hit they be America LK do you want to try Kasahari Majima Bakaim Matwat na pore 5 oto ba kwa short gas low Kenya any Obrafo say okay do you want to try Kasahari Majima Bakaim and then okay so ba no say what twat na pore num oto ba kwa short gas what I say that's why G awards are 5 Obrafo je ba kwa onyi bio enti no e sana game ne den eti Daddy Lumba na ne champion meni wa na ye adwuma baako e ka oko na nka me de ensay wa ma obi adi but people were saying say oni Daddy Lumba that is how game na esiti so we should try and understand all these things e wa show business industry ni yen try yen yin sa ne man nya dey entum e wa industry ni because e ka ho part of the game it's me say me ba na me no be trans na ye di nkoma also making sure say nkoma na ye di no ebeboa na boy nyina mfaso ebeba so na mfaso na eba no so no e kwan bebre ebefa so mfaso no be dey ebeba ento feel say Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin ka asem na manfo ka obi ye program bi obechi so invite Kwadwo kwa manaba because ono na ye kana asem obi ye program invite Dr Likee say Dr Likee mra ko Dr Likee say ye kana asem e de adwuma ba o e de adwuma ba e attract e de business ba what I say e de business ba e ti yenti adwuma na say we share videos na me ye ni nyina you can see say enkomo na very smooth how be anim ye din enkomo he was okay odin enkomo wan kasentia obia also oka hu bi na oka hu bi and I'm chairman bi so nti e de yi ni free mu me I don't know about that chairman I don't know about that issue so also no kana sem show na baso I successful I historic event abaso we are seeing once maybe see that the first Ghanaian to perform at the O2 Indigo Dr Likee and team maybe see that history has been made and no and was some share namuka nearby once and no so the same common kwakwaso or dimensions ebe fa ba man common guso akoso for the more I walk Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin interview once no the more O2 Indigo show no so here dey air trend the more an echo FYP na da oko YouTube reaction amafo ye nyina is on that is that particular show. Artists bi benya and can no one sem na abasa na ye kan. People pay for people to create fake stories about them only for trend. It is there. Ebisu dey ba natural. Eba game no. So to me Papa J anko say okoye interview we be post after the show na bibia akoso enya sa na tie I went there purposely for na wo sawaje any movies awaye sa nkomo no ene yekoya yekodi ye inta hope say there me gidi say wonya ntiase watiase kakra ehun hawa ejuma no sitie munyan say mo tag me say me controversial no stop tagging me for being controversial. I am not controversial. Bam. Bidi the fresh boy Papa J. Bidi besia. You go so ha de beba biaro. You besan de abremo. Na mo so manya bi subscribe, share na like. Na bibia nkoso kama pa. E fama yankobo sha ye nyina. Ene me no ka say ye wo Royal Foam. Royal Foam na ko Nkansah Lilwin official unveil. Ye unveil officially. E wo Royal Foam. Omo head office ye wo me ka say asokore mampon CCC area ho. Ntia Yabba Boama Ghana showbiz no akudem. Thank you for watching. Peace. I'm out. My producer, director, Kwadwo Jordan. On a jire share bibia ede mame. Madam Asepa Yankupo Aisha Mubia. Bye bye.